Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Confirm battery and backup essential files because rebooting affects apps. Once done, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Do not release. Tap power off and wait for the screen to go dark. Make sure the phone fully shuts down. This prevents boot conflicts. If prompted for credentials after restart, have your PIN or pattern ready so you can proceed without delay and avoid being locked out. Now reboot into safe mode. Press and hold power to turn the phone on, and as soon as the Realme logo shows, press and hold volume down. Keep holding volume down until the home screen loads. This forces Android to skip third-party apps. You'll know it worked when a safe mode label appears at the bottom left. Once in safe mode, open settings and check installed apps. Disabled ones are system apps. While problems usually come from third-party apps, you can uninstall. To finish, reboot the phone normally. Press and hold power, then tap restart. The device will boot without safe mode restrictions. If the issue resurfaces in normal mode, uninstall apps installed just before the problem began because most problems come from those apps. If you cannot exit safe mode or the phone crashes, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. If reset fails, boot into recovery and clear cache. If that still fails, contact service for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.